Hello everyone, I'm Vivian Benjamin. I'm a registered nurse, registered nutritionist, and the founder of Nutrition Takes. Today, in Nutrition Takes video channel, I'm going to talk to you about indulge your way to a healthy gut. Do you love food? I'm sure everyone living in this world enjoys food as much as you and I do. There are many types of food available in this world. Moreover, there are also many ways to cook a certain type of food. For example, the Chinese use lentils to make soup. However, the Indians use lentils to make curry. Food doesn't only give you nourishment, but also joy. We need to eat to go on living. The food you consume gives your body the fuel needed to grow, move, breathe, think, and many more. The meal that we consume is primarily plant-based, animal-based, and fungal origins. This contains macronutrients, which are the carbohydrates, fats, protein, and micronutrients, vitamins and minerals that nurture the body. On the other hand, food also has another role. It brings community and people together. Family, friends, and community come together as one when there is food. It may sound a little strange, perhaps even upset some people, but what I mean is that food can unite humans to form a bond. So, where does all the food we eat go inside our body? Which system is responsible to digest the food? The answer, the digestive system or gastrointestinal tract. So, if you like to keep benefiting from eating good food and to go on living, nurturing your gut health is vital. I'm going to share with you some simple tips on how you can support your gut health from the inside and outside. So, what is this gut health buzzing around the medical and nutrition industry? I'm sure you may have seen a lot of articles talking about gut health and how you can nourish it or what kind of food to consume. But what is the gut? The gut actually refers to your gastrointestinal tract, commonly called the digestive system. Therefore, gut health means your upper and lower gastrointestinal health, from the mouth to the anus. The gastrointestinal tract or digestive system is approximately 30 feet long that extends from the mouth to the esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and rectum. The digestion of your food starts from the mouth, where the ingestion of food and drinks takes place. Food is then chewed and broken down into small particles that go down through the esophagus. After that, the food enters the stomach, where hydrochloric acid breaks down the food into a more absorbable component. This acid also destroys ingested bacteria. The digestive process continues in the small intestine, where the completion of chemical digestion of carbohydrates, fats, and protein takes place. These nutrients, along with vitamins, minerals, water, and salts, are absorbed in the small intestine. Within 4 hours after eating, residual waste material passes into the colon. Bacteria inside the large intestine or colon help in completing the breakdown of waste materials. The waste material eventually reaches the rectum, normally within 12 hours. Generally, healthy people pass stool once a day, but this varies among people. Let's talk a little bit about the gut microbiome. Your body is host to trillions of microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites that live inside the body. These microorganisms live together peacefully without harming you. Not only do they not damage you, but they are also proven to benefit humans tremendously. Most of these bugs are found throughout the body. However, the largest numbers are in the small intestine and large intestine. Their role is to promote uninterrupted bodily functions. Apart from that, they also protect you from harmful microbes that enter the body through eating and drinking. Therefore, nourishing your gut health helps keep them healthy. So, how do you nurture your gut health from the inside? Easy. It is through the food you consume. These simple ways can nurture your gut health from the inside. Tip number one: eat a wide variety of plant based food. We all know that consuming a variety of plant based food is nutritious. It has been proven beneficial to us since ancient times. However, that doesn't mean I'm encouraging you to stop eating animal based food completely. It is entirely up to you to consume any source of food. Nevertheless, try increasing the amount of plant based food and remember that balance is key in holistic nutrition. So, what are the examples of plant based food you can consume? It will be fruits and vegetables, pulses and legumes, nuts and seeds, whole grains, herbs and spices. Tip number two: the power of fermented food. Fermented food dates back to the ancient civilization as far back as the 6000 BC and has been passed on to the next generations. It is a process where microorganism breaks down sugar into alcohol or organic acids. During ancient times, it was used for preservation, but studies have shown it provides benefits for the human body. It gives antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, antifungal, antimicrobial, and anti-atherosclerotic properties. So, what are the examples of fermented food? It will be kombucha, fermented black or green tea, kefir, fermented milk, fermented soy products such as tempeh, natto, miso, sauerkraut, which are preserved cabbage, kimchi, which are salted and fermented cabbage or radish, and sourdough bread. Tip number three: avoid too much salt and sugar in your diet. Certain food naturally contain salt and sugar, so refrain from adding more to your diet. Avoid adding salt when you are cooking pasta, spaghetti, and rice. Since you are going to prepare side dishes for your rice and sauce for the pasta, there is no need to add extra salt. In the same way, reduce the consumption of sugar in your daily diet. If you do crave something sweet, fruits can be a great source of natural sweetness. It works both ways by nourishing you and indulging your cravings. Tip number four: probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are microorganisms that provide health benefits to the body when consumed. They can be found in fermented foods and dietary supplements. On the other hand, prebiotics are food consumed to enhance the activity of the microorganisms inside your body. Examples of food include garlic, onion, asparagus, wheat, honey, rye, barley, soybean, banana, peas, beans, seaweeds, and microalgae. So now that you know how you can nourish your gut health from the inside, how can you nurture your gut health from the outside? Sleep. Quality sleep has many health benefits for physical and mental health. In the same way, it also benefits your gut health. A study has found that a healthy gut promotes healthy sleep. In the same way, you need to nourish yourself with good quality sleep to enhance the gut microbiome. Number two: avoid unnecessary consumption of antibiotics. Overuse of antibiotics has become a major public health concern recently. People are always seeking to take antibiotics even for the common cold or other minor illnesses. You can cure yourself of minor illnesses by taking alternate medicine. Talk to your doctor to explore the abundance of holistic interventions such as herbs as part of your treatment. Number three: nature. Spending time in nature has been linked to positive benefits. Have you ever felt calm whenever you go to a forest or a nature reserve? The surrounding in the forest provides you with calmness and you also get to inhale fresh air. Living in cities where the air quality is poor harms your overall well-being. Nevertheless, making a habit to visit a forest can provide you with good quality oxygen. As the saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. A trip to the forest or nature helps to keep your gut healthy. Moreover, if you have some space in your home, create a small garden. Plant plenty of herbs, flowers, and vegetables. That way, you could spend time in nature and exercise by gardening. If you live in a flat or apartment, invest in decorating your home with indoor plants. Consuming food is vital to support your body to lead a healthy life. Nevertheless, meals eaten need to be digested before they can be absorbed into the cells. The gastrointestinal tract is an important part of the body which helps break down food into absorbable parts, so it may circulate into all body parts to provide necessary nourishment. I hope you can take away these simple steps to nurture your gut health from the inside and outside.